Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can't believe I'm saying this, but it's been a good 3-4 years now that I have just disappeared off the face of the planet. I had a baby, but anyway, we're coming back with a bang. We're going to do a a gold sort of smoky glam look today with a red lip. So I just wanted to jump back into the swing of doing a little bit of makeup because we've got a lot to catch up on. Now I'm looking more this way on the videos because I'm actually looking at myself, even though the camera's down here. But anyway, we're going to wing this. So yeah, let's just get cracking. Right, you'll also have to bear with me on angles and things, but I'm going to go in with the face balm, and this is the brow gel. I am absolutely obsessed with this brow gel. It holds amazingly. Look at that brow. So I'm actually looking forward to coming back to YouTube. I'm very nervous. A lot has changed, especially in the world of YouTube now that TikTok is here, and I now do TikTok. But brows on fleek. I feel like one brow always works a lot better than the other. Right, there we go. So I'm gonna wipe the excess off around my brows. It's actually on my skin. I'm going to now use my OG brow pencil, and this one is from TikTok shop. It actually came in like a full makeup set. These are looking a little bit aggressive, I'm not going to lie. It's fine, we'll just clean them up at the end. Literally love this eye base. So I'm going in with the, I didn't actually show you, the P. Louise eye base, and this is in the shade 2, I believe. Trust the process, guys, is all I'm going to say, especially with these bloody brows, because it will all come together at the end and it will look fine. I've always had an issue with doing my eyebrows. Don't know what it is. They just hate me. Right, let's pat that into the eyelids. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the P. Louise A Brand New Chapter palette, and I'm just going to start packing that shade on the outer corner of my eye because I'm going to blend this out, and we're going to go in with like a gold shade on the lid. We're going for like a full glam, like a full beat shabam. I love this palette. I think the shades are just stunning. So I'm going to go in and blend that out. These brushes were also from TikTok shop, this brown one that I've got in my hand. So I've just like constantly buffed that out because I want this outer corner to be slightly darker to give a little bit more definition to my eye. And then I'm going to add a bit more of that darker shade again to the outer corner. I like to do this with lighter shadows first because if I want to take this eye bit here like a little bit darker, then I can just build the colors up and go darker and darker and darker. I don't like to go in with a dark shade like from the word go. It's just too scary, that. I'm just going back in with my P. Louise base, and I'm just going to cut my crease so I can make that gold shadow really pop. So I'm just packing that back onto the lid. It doesn't have to be like perfectly neat either because we're going to blend out the gold eyeshadow. Look at how stunning that pigment is. This is from Peaches and Cream, and the shade is called Famous. Look at that. I'm going to darken the outer corner of my eyes as well because I want to make sure that the gold stands out against the brown and they don't look like two of the exact same shades. How stunning is she? So we're going to go in with the next shade. This one is called Thriving. And the first one we used was True Potential. And then I'm going to bring that shadow across the eyelid a little bit more. And then I'm just dabbing in with the shade called Pretty Heart, which again is even darker. I think that is looking a lot better. So there is a shade called Tell Your Tale, and I'm actually going to use this to go across the bottom part of my eyelid because I want to get a bit of like a smoky liner. This just helps like false lashes blend in a lot more nicer, so you don't have like a, you know, when you put lashes on and sometimes you get like a white line across them where you can see where your eyelid is, even if you've done your eyeshadow. So this is just going to really help to bond those false lashes with your natural lashes as well. Perfect. So I'm going to go and do the other eye now, and then I will be back. Right, so I've just gone and cleaned up the corners of the eyes as well. So I'm going in with my Doll Prep, and this is a primer. I did do my skincare as well prior to this, and I've got quite dry skin, so I'm going in with quite a lot. My Doll Beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna pack that into my skin. For foundation, we are using the Maybelline Superstay, and this is in shade 05. I'm going to put quite a lot on because I do genuinely want a full coverage foundation for this glam look. That went in my hair. So then, yeah, I'm going to use my Doll Beauty sponge again and really pack that in. I love this foundation. Like, look how glowy that is. And it just sits so beautifully on my skin. Dab, 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 like your life depends on it. You can tell I haven't done this for a while. I literally haven't showed you half the stuff I'm using, but I'm going to go in with this contour palette from P. Louise. Doesn't tell me the shade, but I've gone in with the second lightest shade. So I'm just going to put that there on the top of my cheekbones, and I'm going to blend it out with a clean brush. And I always do it here, which is at the top part of my ears, because that's where you should start your contour. And then I go around the side of my face slightly. Do ignore the bottles in the background. Again, blend like your life depends on it. Snatched. And then I'm going to go back in with the brand new chapter, and I'm going to take the pink and the white icy highlighter. And yes, I use a brush to do this. I don't use the fan brush because I really want to build that pigment. Oh wow. And she is pigmented. A little bit on the nose and the bridge. Like, everybody has different placements of their highlighter, but I like to do mine here at the front because I just feel that it makes my cheeks fill out a little bit more. So glow for it, girlies. That was bad. I'm going to go in with a really nice pink and just like add the tiniest bit, because if you know P. Louise, she is pigmented. So this is the Maybelline The Falsies Surreal Mascara. It is so good. So lashes, I'm going with, these are Dreamer, the Insta Famous Unicorn lashes. Absolutely besotted with these. And I did get the glue as well. So this is the Best Lash Glue. So a little tip that I learned when I was doing my makeup artistry level 4 was when you were applying lashes to actually like tilt your head and look down as you put your lashes on. It gives you like a clearer perspective of where your lashes are going. They are absolutely stunning, and everything looks better. Like, every makeup look always personally looks better when you've got lashes to just complete it. So let me go and stick the other one on. Right, so we're going to go in with the Doll Beauty, and this is the Red Alert lipstick. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Wow. Boom, we are all finished. I actually think it turned out really, really well. Seeing as, like I said, it's been a long time since I've done makeup, but I love it. So thank you so much to everybody that came and watched this video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a like and a comment, and do not forget to click that subscribe button because it really does help my channel grow, and I'm hoping to do a lot more of these videos as well. So, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.